Okay, so today class, I just want you all to look up here for the objective. So the objective is to introduce and discuss least common multiple, okay? So we've gone over multiples, but now we're going to get to exactly what least common multiple is, okay? So, let's see, can I have 3 volunteers? Okay, great, fantastic. Okay. Ask the people beside you, but you have 3 definitions in your hand, okay? Well, you have 1 definition, you have 1 definition, and you have 1 definition. I want to make sure that we understand multiple, common multiple, and then we're going to define least common multiple. So, 2 of you have definitions in your hand that we've already talked about multiple and common multiple, and 1 of you is the lucky person to try and define least common multiple. Okay? So I want to do first real quick, you all have your worksheets on your desk that have the definitions, just to write them down one more time and review them. But for the next 1 minute and 30 seconds, you're going to just talk to the people next to you and try to figure out which definition you have.
Common. Share. Multiple. Share. Alright, good.
We're good students.
Shared. Common. Shared. In common.
Okay, good.
Have in common.
Oh.
We're so confident we're writing.
Awesome.
Good, good. I like that. I like confidence.
Yeah, good team.
All right. Everyone look up. Okay, great. So there's one group that feels so confident in their answer that they're writing it down. Fantastic.
Okay.
If the person who has multiple, the definition of multiple, raise your hand. Okay, great. Come and tape it up on the board for me. Right next to multiple. Thank you. And the person who has common multiple, if you think you have common multiple, raise your hand. Okay, Ms. Citron. Step on up and just tape this up to the board for me, please. Okay. And the person who is trying to define least common multiple, ding, 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 last person, great. Evan, tape this up to the board for me, please. Thank you. All right. Evan, do you feel confident in that answer?
Very confident. We
Okay,
already
great.
wrote it down.
Great.
10.
Perfect. All right. So somebody tell me what is the definition? Someone who wasn't a part of trying to figure out what multiple, the definition of multiple. Somebody tell me or read this definition for me, just so we can go over it real quick.
The product of a given whole number.
Okay, so the example here is 9, okay? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Do we understand multiples? Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Second definition, common multiple. Somebody read that definition for me.
A multiple shared by 2 or more whole numbers.
2 or more whole numbers. Okay, thank you very much, Mark. And last definition that we're defining today. Anybody? Yes, Lily?
The lowest multiple shared by 2 or more whole numbers.
Okay, so the lowest, okay? So what's the key word in multiple?
Product.
Product. I underlined it for you. Okay, and the key word for common multiple?
Shared.
Shared, okay? And then for least, what's the key word for this one?
Lowest.
Lowest, good. Okay, so lowest, okay? And then we have common, shared, okay? Multiple, okay? So today, we all have become numbers, okay? You have become a number. And up here, we have the 6 group over here, and over here we have the 4, okay? One at a time, I'm going to ask you to come up. Actually, you can do it as a group, okay? And what I want you to do is take a piece of tape right here, and I want you to stick your number under which multiple do you think you are a part of? Are you part of 6? Are you part of 4? Okay? Think about it, okay? If you're both, think about it, okay? If you're both, think about it, okay? Just pick which one you want to be a part of, okay? Everybody wants to kind of be a part of a group. Pick one, okay? I might go with 6 because it's higher, but who knows? Okay, so on the count of 3, you're all going to go. 1, 2, 3. Grab a piece of tape. If you need a piece of tape, ask me. Or take one yourself.
We just pick?
Yep, pick.
Yeah, that's right. 6.
I'm going for 6. Okay.
All right, Melissa, you've been kicked out because 24 already picked 6, so that was great. Kelly picked 6, so I guess you got to go with 4s. I don't know. Maybe that's a good thing, maybe that's a bad thing. All right, great, fantastic. I'm proud of you for picking. Okay, so
I win.
Everybody's looking at the board right now, okay? What do we have going on here? Can somebody tell me? So those of you who picked to be in a 6 group, why? Who had 6? Mark, give me the multiplication equation that gives us 6.
1 times 6 equals 6.
1 times 6 equals 6. What do we got for this?
2 times 6.
2 times 6 equals?
12.
Oh, wonderful. What's up here? Who had 24?
6 times 4.
6 times 4. Okay, what are we... Oh, man. What are we missing? Is there an extra one?
Yeah, there was an extra.
Yeah,
Oh.
can you grab that? Sorry.
Sorry.
Thank you. That's okay. That's okay. So we've got... Which one are we missing? 6 times?
3.
3. Good. Okay. Thank you for putting them in order, 6 group. I appreciated that.
That was
She did that totally.
Oh, good. I'll stick this one here. All right. So now, somebody tell me what's going on with 4. Who did 4? Yes, Jim.
4 times 1 is 4.
Okay. And what's next?
8.
Who is 8? What do you have?
2 times 4.
Good. Is 8. All right. What's next?
12.
12. What do we have here?
4 times 3 is
4 times 3. Great. 16.
4 times 4.
4 times 4. 20.
4 times 5.
4 times 5.
4 times 6.
4 times 6. Well, you guys all got it right. Somebody explain to me why 12 and 24 are up there. Why are they in both groups? Melissa.
They're common multiples.
They're common multiples. Okay, so here we've got 12. We've got 24. Okay? 12, 24. Great. So what do we do? What are we looking for? Our least. So how do we figure out what the least common multiple? What do we say the key word was?
Lowest.
Lowest. Great. So where's our lowest number?
12.
12. Put a star over that. Who got to be 12 and 24? Yeah, not bad. Good job. All right. So what I want you guys to do is you have a worksheet in front of you, okay, with all the wonderful examples. If you filled it in as we were going along, fantastic. If you haven't, you now know the multiples. You now know the least, okay, the 2 common and then the least out of them. I want you to finish filling that in. For homework, you guys have page 275. And we'll do 1 through 20 odds, okay, just to practice to make sure that we can find the least common multiple, okay? That is class.